H3 Hummer. H3. This one is called the Some Edition. Alpha Edition. That's what it's called. They only made a few of these. That's why the color is kind of significant in itself. So, and I see that orange Ford right there. Well, we'll get into that later. There's gonna be some stuff done to that one, but not today. It's H3. The Viper was put on a couple weeks ago, a couple weeks to a month, something like that. So now we got this push button start on here. Radio comes on, nothing else. Alright, hit it one more time. Everything else kicks in. Doesn't start until I put my foot on the brake. So let me do that for you real quick. Now it's on. Lights up, everything's a go. Truck is running. No lights on the dash, no codes, no nothing. And there's that right there. Nice and glowing. Take it off the defrost. Put it right there. Say I want to turn it on, I'm going to turn it off. Okay. Then it's off. The alarm still works with it. I'm going to start it for you one time. Yeah. That right there. Same operating function. When you hit your foot on the brake, cuts off. There you have it, H3 Hummer. If you got one of these, I can do it for the low price of $1 million. You heard what I said? I said $1 million. Unless your mama took me a bowl of chili. For some reason, I just want some chili in my bowl. You do that for me? We can make a deal. All in the pressure, TD. We out.